Leadpages is a comprehensive lead generation platform designed to help businesses create high-converting landing pages, websites, and pop-ups without any coding skills. It offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop builder, a vast library of mobile responsive templates, and seamless integrations with various marketing tools. By using Leadpages, businesses can effectively capture leads, increase conversions, and drive sales. Why use Leadpages? Ease of use. The intuitive interface allows users to quickly design and publish professional-looking pages. Conversion optimization. Access to over 250 conversion-optimized templates tailored for various industries and goals. Integration capabilities. Seamless integration with popular marketing tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Shopify. Lead management. Efficient tools to capture and manage leads, including pop-up forms and alert bars, analytics and testing, real-time performance tracking, and unlimited A/B split testing to optimize results. Pricing. Leadpages offers 3 main pricing plans. Standard plan, priced at $49 per month, or $37 per month when billed annually. This plan includes one site, unlimited traffic and leads, landing pages, alert bars, pop-ups, free hosting, a free custom domain, lead notifications, mobile responsive site templates, over 40 standard integrations, and tech support. Pro plan, at $99 per month, or $74 per month when billed annually. The Pro plan offers all standard features plus support for 3 sites, online sales and payments, and unlimited A/B split testing. Leadpages Advanced Plan, designed for large-scale businesses. This plan costs $239 per month when billed annually and includes all Pro features along with advanced integrations and priority tech support. Leadpages also provides a 14-day free trial, allowing users to explore the platform's features before committing. For more detailed information, visit the Leadpages website linked in the description of this video.